what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm gonna share my go-to makeup look. It's super simple and easy और ये perfect है for the summer season. मुझे literally 5 मिनट लगते हैं makeup करने के लिए. So hopefully you guys watch it till the end and let's get started. Let's do my skincare first because मैंने literally कुछ भी नहीं लगाया. I've just washed my face and sat down to film this video. First पहले बाल पीछे लेती हूँ and then we'll do my skincare. For skincare, I'm gonna apply Face Skin's Hydra Milk. This is a milky skincare toner and for summers this is so good. Not super thick, very lightweight and absorbs beautifully into the skin. Look at that consistency, it's very watery. But it is super hydrating and my skin absolutely loves this. For summers, I like to keep it simple. मैं ज़्यादा skincare नहीं लगाती हूँ because मेरा skin ज़्यादा dry भी नहीं feel करता है. It's very normal during the summer months. So just a nice hydrating toner essence works for me. And इसके बाद मैं usually try करती हूँ to apply a sunscreen and you guys know I absolutely love the sunscreen. मैंने मेरे favorites video में भी इसके बारे में बात की है. This is by 52 Sundays. It's their Clear Glow SPF Mist. This has SPF 50 plus UVA, UVB and PA++ protection. But something about this is breaking me out. मैंने इसका एक पूरा bottle खत्म कर चुकी हूँ. I absolutely love this. I've literally bought a new one. But something is not working. It's either this or the Hyphen का ceramide toner. दोनों में से एक is breaking me out, so I stopped using both of them. I started using this one again to see which product is breaking me out, and I used this one and I got another pimple right over here. So I think this is breaking me out and it really pains me because मुझे काफी ज़्यादा पसंद आया था. So yeah, I'm gonna skip this, but of course apply a sunscreen. I'm at home, so I'm gonna skip that. Skincare के लिए मैं बस इतना ही करने वाली हूँ. For makeup, my first step will always be Mars God's Glow Illuminator. This is so good. I've been obsessed with this, especially for the summer season. This is so lightweight and gives me kind of like coverage exactly where I need it. It gives it that glow. I absolutely love using this. एकदम ज़्यादा भी नहीं लगाना है. So exactly how I like to use it. Also, one of my favorite brushes that I love using. This is by Mars. This is their 4-in-1 traveling brush. But I absolutely love using it while I'm doing my makeup at home, while traveling. This is always in my makeup box. And ये अगर आपको नहीं पता इसके अंदर और 2 brushes है. Great to do eye makeup and stuff. But I absolutely love this big kabuki side. Blending your foundation or your base is so easy using this. Let me blend this side quickly to show you guys exactly how my skin transforms with this product. Like, look at that glow. It gives you the glow, it gives you a little bit of coverage, and that's exactly what I want. Okay, I've blended this side and this side is my natural skin. You can see the difference. Look at that glow. It has given an even coverage all over my face. It's not super heavy, it's very lightweight. And इतना प्यारा glow दे देता है. Like, look at it. It looks very naturally dewy. Again, great for the wedding season, especially summer wedding season where you want that glow but you also want something lightweight. Also, this shade 03 Beige is a perfect shade match for me. So if you're similar, definitely grab this one. It's a beautiful product. Definitely try it if you have never tried this one. I am not gonna apply any base or foundation. This is the only thing that I'm gonna apply for my base. But for concealer, I'm gonna use this one. This is by Mars, by the way. Is their Cancel Concealer in the shade 05 Sandstone. Again, a beautiful shade match for me. I only like to apply it near the inner corner and a little bit on the outside. So this again is a beautiful product by Mars. Very lightweight, hydrating, conceals, does not crease under your eyes, and again perfect for the summer season because it does not feel heavy at all. Like, look at that. Wherever you want to conceal, just use this product. It's super lightweight. Again, perfect for the summer season. Of course, if you don't want to use another brush, you can just use this and blend it. That's exactly what I do. I think I'll apply a little bit more on my pimple so it's not super red. And if you have certain blemishes that you want to cover pimple, look at that, gone. So it covers the redness beautifully and conceals your under eyes. There is no creasing and it blends beautifully. Especially if you set it after, it's not gonna go anywhere. The base is looking perfect, super lightweight, perfect for the summer season. Before powdering, I just like to do one more step. It's this. It's Etude Water Tint. Absolutely love this product. I think जितने भी मैंने अभी तक tutorials बनाए हैं, majority of them has this product. It's so good. This is like my second or third purchase. I've already finished this bottle, but it's so good. I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks as well. Even if I'm not doing any makeup and I want to head out, this is one of the products that will always be on my face, a little bit on my lips, a little bit on my cheeks. Sunscreen and I'm good to go. You can go a little heavy on this, but I am gonna apply another layer of blush on this. This will be like one layer of it because throughout the day थोड़ा fade भी होता है ना. ऐसा लग रहा है थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया, but it's okay. अभी powder लगाने वाले तो थोड़ा tone down हो ही जाएगा. It looks so good. I love this red tint on my skin. It's very watery, very lightweight. It just soaks in beautifully. There is no patchiness, no streakiness. This is so good. If you have not tried this product, definitely grab your hands on this because look at that. Of course it dries down, so एक cheek पे काम करना, just apply it quickly, blend it in and look at that. जो भी concealer लगाया, we need to set it. For that I'll be using the Mars Trend Setting Powder, a beautiful powder. Literally gives you that Paris filter effect. For the summer season, I literally can't think about stepping out without powdering my skin. As I said, this literally gives you that Paris filter effect. Do you see the before and after? Not only does it make your concealer set well, especially in the summer season, you want to set your face, it's gonna look so much more better. एक और मेजर डिफरेंस जो क्लियरली दिख के आ रहा है इज यू कैन सी द पोर्स सो मच मोर एनहांस्ड ओवर हियर, बट वंस यू सेट इट काइंड ऑफ ब्लर्स इट आउट. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट दिस डज एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट फॉर इट. जहाँ पर भी आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि यहाँ पर पोर्स या फिर टेक्सचर ज़्यादा दिखता है, powder that area. It makes a huge difference, especially on camera. Looking good. Let me just apply a little bit of lip balm. काफी ज़्यादा dry लग रहा है. This is by Laneige, by the way. It's their lip glowy balm in the shade Berry. Love this one. My eyebrows are looking bald. Let's fill them in first. And my recent obsession with eyebrow products are these two by ELF. First, I'm gonna use the ELF Instant Lift Brow Pencil. This one has a spoolie on one end and the product on the other end, but ये micro pencil type नहीं है. As you can clearly see, it's quite thick. But one thing I love about this is it's not super dark, तो ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि आप crayon से आपके eyebrows बना रहे हो. If you are on a hurry, this is the product. It will fill in instantly without looking super dark. So I love this product. And if you have eyebrows like me and you just have few bald spot, this is the product you need. Just like that, I literally like to fill in only the bald spot, and I'm gonna maintain my natural eyebrow shape. Before, after. I love that it's so easy, does not look dark at all, fills my eyebrows in perfectly, no bald spots whatsoever, and my natural eyebrows just look set. So I like to use this product to fill them in. And next I'll be using the ELF Wow Brow Tinted Gel to set them in place. This also is tinted, that kind of like fills them in and like makes it bushy as well. अगर दो स्टेप करने का भी टाइम नहीं है ना, just go with this one. This will fill them in and set them in place. So perfect product. The blush is looking good, but I just want to add a little bit more. So I'm using this one by Kiro. It's their Vintage Rose in the shade 03. A beautiful stick blush, and I'm just gonna apply it on the higher end and using my fingers blending it in. Summer season mein blush is the first thing that just gets off my face, so adding a double layer, even if this goes, the under layer jo tint lagaya tha, that will stay, and I love that it gives a beautiful glow on my cheeks as well. Perfect, love it. Next, let's finish the eyes. One step that I cannot live without is a brown kajal. This is by Maybelline. It's a smoky kajal. I have this one in black. Let's use this. I'm gonna apply this on my waterline first. See, adds a bit of color, but it's not super harsh. Now this is the fun part. I'm gonna use this and try to create, just pull it out, create a wing. You don't have to be perfect because you're gonna blend it out. And then I'm gonna roughly pull it in as well. Like, do you see? It's not perfect at all, but that's when this magic comes in. Just smooth out the top area where it's uneven. You can go as heavy as you want, you can go as light as you want. Sometimes I just like to apply a little bit near the outer area, and that's it. Blend, 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 and look at that. Look how beautifully it kind of added like a cat eye effect without applying eyeliner, and the eyes look so much more done. It looks like I've spent time done my eyeshadow and stuff, but it was just one step. Before, after. Love how it pulls it up as well, because I created like a wing eyeliner thing on the bottom. Let's do the other eye, and it's so easy and simple. Just pull it out, and once you pull it out, pull it in, and try to stay close to the lash line as possible. That's all I like to do for eyeshadow. Let's finish it up with some mascara, and of course my favorite one at the moment is this one by Maybelline. It's their Colossal mascara, and this is the washable one, which is perfect. You can just come home, wash it with water, and it will go. Of course, if you want a waterproof one, use a waterproof one. I personally prefer the washable version of mascara, and so far this has been my favorite. I love that it does not clump my lashes, and it just feathers it out and gives a beautiful length and volume to my lashes. Eyes are done. Let's finish the lips. For lips, this has been my go-to lip combo. First, I'm gonna use Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade 02 Deep Dawn. Absolutely favorite. And for lipstick, I'm gonna use a lip tint. This is by Etude. It's a fixing lip tint in this shade 16 Baked Pecan. This shade is perfect. This is like my lips but better, and with that brown lip liner, it's a beautiful combination. And with that, my look is almost complete, but of course we need to set this look, and for that I'll be using the Mars Seal the Deal Makeup Fixer. This has a beautiful natural finish, and the one thing I absolutely love about this is the spray. Super fine and misty. Let's just set it all in. Especially for the summers, if you're heading out, I would highly recommend using a makeup fixer to blend everything in and set it in place. And this has a beautiful finish as well. I love that it has a nice dewy finish. It's long lasting and butt proof. And this is the final look. That's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Also, get your shopping done now because Amazon's Gen T sale is on. You can get up to 50 to 80% off. ये April 18 से 23rd तक है. So if you like any of the product, all the links are in the description down below. Don't forget to check it out. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.